Hello everyone, it's us.
Hi.
We just started playing some survival, and I'd like to inform you all that we have made it as far as, well, 3 minutes and 43, if you can see on the top right. That's our team best so far. Trying to get to 10 minutes for gold. I have done this a long time ago, and that's my high score. 10, 42, 83. I can't for the life of me figure out how we did it last time, so yeah, you get to watch us struggle until we hit at least 10 minutes again for that gold medal, because we like being gold. Oh yeah. Not gonna
Take
grab a
home the
grenade this time?
gold.
Yeah, I think we should hold in the store and wait for that first tank to come out and let's just try holding in the store. I feel like we'll be alright. I have the spaz this time with the what do you call that? That good stuff.
Laser sight.
Yeah.
That good stuff. Alright.
That good you. that good you, man. Yeah, that good you.
Alright, man.
Alright. Let's head to the store. We'll wait for everybody to be here first. Just so that we're all together. Wait for the AI. Alright. Ellis is on the other side of the fence. It's all good.
Look out! Watch out!
Reloading.
The fact that there's one entrance makes it so much easier. Ellis, get you.
Reloading!
There we go. Tank's gonna be at like 40 seconds. Coming up. And boom. Yep, okay, it's at 40 flat. Not 45. He's on that side. See him?
Yeah.
He's dead. Yeah, I think this is abnormal. That's hilarious.
If I had to guess.
Sheer
Yeah.
volume
Right, we're conditioned.
It's insane. Oh, let's probably head back to the side. Oh, carp.
Reloading!
Okay, so it's 40 flat. 40 flat, and then...
Is there ammo file in the store?
Reloading! Reloading!
Let me check.
Reloading! Charger! Charger! Hit it!
Ooh, no. I guess it's only the gun store, I guess.
Let's kill this tank and then
freaking
refill.
3 gas cans in here in the storage room. Holy frick! Totally doable.
On the right, tank.
Oh yeah, what the heck? The rocks don't insta-kill. What the heck? I'm confused. And the rocks don't insta-down anymore. I'm on my brain. It's not computing. That's weird. Okay, tank's dead. Tank's
Alright,
dead.
tank dead.
Jockey on the hedge. Oh god. Frick me.
Hunter on coach!
Advance.
Oh frick.
Throwing a pipe bomb! Hunter!
Over the fence. On this fence.
I don't got much bullets left. I'm out. He's dead. Thank God.
Reloading.
Charger's punching you, I think.
Don't make me get over with you.
Jockey on me.
Jockey.
I'm out of ammo again. I just grabbed someone's random gun.
Charger.
No, I'm keeping the spaz. Not spaz. Benelli. This M4 shotgun does the good deeds. Oh darn.
Shit, we ain't got time for this, man. Get up, get up.
Holy moly.
So much chaos. You sure you want ammo, man? I don't know if it's worth it anymore.
Don't stop shooting.
I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, defense.
That's it.
Shoot the shit out of that thing.
Oh god, I'm dead. Oh, mother chicken. Oh,
Heads up.
it's dead. Alright. Hunter incoming. Beautiful. Hunter incoming. Oh, even more beautiful. Freaking. Oh, Jesus Christ.
God damn it, I'm covered in goo.
Okay.
Shoot me again and I'll drop you.
I think I should use a med kit.
Watch out for a second. I have to heal.
Christ.
Hey man, hold up.
Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Frick.
Oh, I got
Gotcha.
smoker.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, shoot the shit out of that thing.
He's dead, he's dead. Tank is dead. Oh, there's another one. What the heck? Oh, frick, I've been smoked. What? Watch for yourself. There's a hunter.
My bad.
Nick is dead. Damn.
Jockey behind you. Jockey behind you.
Heads up, go.
I get it.
Christ.
Smoker behind us. Barricade. Nice.
Oh, I've just been grabbing this auto shotgun and it's been doing work. I tell you. We have no freaking grenades. Take your pills already.
Heads up. Here, I'm getting
Charger. Big fence.
Frick. Frick. No. I'm being
I
dragged.
got you.
Thank you. Oh Jesus, I don't got no grenades. I can't. Oh Jesus. Oh God, I've been freaking stuffed. We're both jockeyed. Thank you. That's good enough. Where's that smoker? Oh, I've been hunted. God dang it. I'm not worth saving. Run away. Run away, I'm not
Go
worth
for the
saving.
gold.
No.
Oh,
Oh, we did silver.
oh wow.
That's pretty
I
crazy.
wasn't even paying attention to the time. I might try for the AK instead.
Okay. I'm gonna go for the Benelli. It seemed to do real
Laser sights
good.
here.
Real good.
What is the Benelli?
M4 shotgun. Tactical shotgun.
Okay.
Yeah, my bad.
We got some laser sights.
Oh, jeebus. Oh, jeebus. And the only ammo pile is Yep, it's in the gun store.
Yeah, you wanna hold on to the store again?
Yeah, I think we did pretty good there.
I think I'll try to
see.
stick with the Magnum for as long as I can.
Raj. Hold on one sec. Don't start yet. I think Jerry needs some assistance. We'll continue this in part 2. BRB, everyone. See ya.